Here I have Huawei Y7a, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So firstly, you'll have to open settings, then you have to go to the biometrics and password, fingerprint ID, then you have to set up your additional screen lock method. It advises you to set 6-digit pin, but on my opinion it's unhealthy to have a 6-digit pin when you can have a 4-digit pin. Then you enter your pin, then you confirm it. Then you have to select which functions of fingerprint you want to use. You can unlock device, access safe, access uplock. Let's only unlock device right now. Then what you have to do is to find the fingerprint sensor, which is located here on the power button of your device. And basically what you have to do is to just tap it with your finger several times until it remembers your fingerprint. Enrollment successful. And now, for example, we can unlock our device without entered pin, but only with just my fingerprint. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.